Namaste to all. I am Dr. Someshwar Piraji Bhale, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Srimati G. Khadse College, Muktai Nagar, District Jalgaon. Today we are going to start a new topic which is a very interesting and very informative. The name of topic is solution. Most of the substance which is used in our daily life, we consider that it's a pure substance, but it is not a pure substance. It is a mixture of substances. For example, the air around us is a mixture of gases like oxygen and nitrogen. The water we drink contains a very small amount of various salts dissolved in it. The substance like milk, jaggery, sherbet, drinks, all of these are the mixtures. So the mixtures are mainly classified into two categories. One is the homogeneous mixture and second one is the heterogeneous mixture. In a first homogeneous mixture, homogeneous, the term which is a Greek term, homo means same and geneus means birth or native. Homogeneous means same phase. Homogeneous mixtures are consist of a single phase which has a properties that may differ drastically from those of individual compounds. म्हणजेच आपण इथे काय म्हणू शकतो, होमोजिनियस मिक्सचरमध्ये जे आपण कंपाऊंड त्याच्यामध्ये डिसॉल्व्ड असतो तो तुम्हाला इंडिव्हिज्युअल कंपाऊंडपेक्षा त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज वेगळ्या दाखवतो, त्याला आपण सेपरेट करू शकत नाही. ऑफ मिक्सचर called as a homogeneous mixture. For example, salt or sugar dissolved in water, they mix in the water uniformly dispersed in a molecule of water. In second case, hetero means different. That means the substance or the mixture having a different phase. Heterogeneous mixture consists of a physically distinct phase and they can mechanically separable. They are also called as a coarse mixture. That means म्हणजेच आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, हेट्रोजेनियस मिक्सचर काय आहेत, फिजिकली डिस्टिंक्ट, म्हणजे ते फिजिकली दिसतानाच आपल्याला काय वेगळे दिसतील आणि ते आपण मेकॅनिकली म्हणजे हाताने त्याला आपण इझिली सेपरेट करू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ऑइल अँड वाटर. इन दिस केस, ऑइल फ्लोट ऑन water, they can easily separate. In another example, sand plus water. If sand pour in a water, the sand settle down at the bottom of the water, can easily separate out from the water. Therefore, it's called as a heterogeneous mixture. So the student question arises that, so what is mean by solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances on molecular level, or we can say a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances whose composition can be varied within certain limit. In the solutions, the substances making up the solutions are called as components of the solution. Depending upon the total component present in the solution are classified into binary solution, ternary solution, and quaternary solutions. In the binary solutions, the total components present in the solution is a 2, therefore it's called as a binary solution. In ternary, there is a total 3 component present in the solution, therefore it's called as a ternary solution. In last quaternary solution, there are 4 components present in the solution, therefore it's called as a quaternary solution. For the simplicity, we shall consider only binary solutions. The components of a binary solution are generally referred to as a solute and the solvent. In generally, a components which is present in a largest quantity is called as a solvent, while the component which is present in a lesser quantity is termed as the solute. और जो कंपोनंट काय लार्ज क्वांटिटीमध्ये असतो त्याला आपण सॉल्व्हेंट म्हणतो, आणि जो कंपोनंट हा स्मॉल क्वांटिटीमध्ये असतो त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो, सोल्यूट म्हणतो. इन अदर वर्ड्स, a solute is a substance that dissolved, and a solvent is a substance in which dissolution takes place. For the sake of convenience, we take an example. If a crystal of sugar is dissolved into water, it dissolves to form a solution. In this case, a sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. In this case, the solvent determines the physical state in which solution exists. म्हणजे याच्यावरूनच आपल्याला काय समजते की जो सॉल्व्हेंट असतो तो ती आपल्या सोल्युशनची फिजिकल स्टेट डिटरमाइन करतो. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये शुगर सोल्युशनमध्ये काय होतंय की वॉटर तुमचा हा काय सॉल्व्हेंट आहे आणि शुगर काय आहे तुमचा सोल्यूट आहे. वॉटर म्हणजेच कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये आहे तो लिक्विड, त्याच्यामुळे आपलं सोल्युशन पण कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये असेल लिक्विड. म्हणजेच आपलं जे सॉल्व्हेंट आहे ते तुमच्या सोल्युशनची फिजिकल स्टेट डिटरमाइन करत आहे. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द फिजिकल स्टेट of the solute and the solvent, the solutions can be classified into the 3 types. First is the gaseous solution, second one is the liquid solution, and third one is the solid solution. In the first type of solution, that is the gaseous solutions, In this case, gas is a solvent and another three, gas, liquid, solid, are the solutes. In the first case, on the basis of these three states, gaseous solution are further classified into gas in a gas type of solution, liquid in a gas type of solution, solid in gas type of solution. In first, gas in a gas, when nitrogen in the air, there is a presence of nitrogen and oxygen. In the first type of solution, that is the gas in a gas type, mixture of nitrogen and oxygen gases are the gas in a gas type of solution. Or air is the also an example of gas in a gas type of solution. In second, liquid in a gas type of solution, when chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas is an example of liquid in a gas type of solution. Or simply our water vapors in a air, or we can say humidity, also is an example of liquid in a gas type of solution. In a last, solid in a gas type of solution, when camphor is the solid substance which kept open in air or in nitrogen gas, they dissolves and form gas. It is an example of solid in a gas type of solution. Or dust smokes particles in a air also is a solid in a gas type of solution. In the next type, liquid in liquid solution. Further, liquid solution classified into three categories: gas in a liquid type of solution, liquid in a liquid type of solution, solid in a liquid type of solution. In this case, liquid is an solvent and other gas, liquid, solid is an solute. In first case, gas in a liquid case, oxygen dissolved in water or CO2 dissolved in water is an example of gas in a liquid type of solution. In next case, liquid in a liquid, when ethanol is in a liquid state, dissolved in water is an example of liquid in a liquid type of solution. In next, solid in a liquid type of solution, when any sucrose or salt when dissolved in a water, they form a solution. This type of solution is called as a solid in a liquid type of solution. In the last type, that is the name of type is solid solution. In the solid solutions, here solid is a solvent and gas, liquid and solid is a solute. In a first case, Solution of hydrogen in palladium is an example of gas in solid type of solution. In this case, gas molecules adsorb on a or adsorb over metal surface. In next, liquid in a solid type of solution. Mercury with sodium is an example of liquid in a solid type of solution. And in a last type, that is the solid in a solid type, when copper dissolved in a gold is an example of solid in a solid type of solution. Or other alloys, metal alloys are as an examples of solid in a solid type of solutions. Out of these 9 types of solutions, the 3 solutions, namely solid in a liquid, liquid in a liquid, and gas in a liquid, are very common. In all these 3 types of solutions, liquid acts as a solvent. In the solution in which water is the solvent is called as aqueous solution. म्हणजे आपण ज्या वेळेस एखादा सोल्युशन तयार करण्यासाठी वॉटर यूज करत असतो त्या टाईपला आपण काय म्हणतो, ॲक्वियस सोल्युशन्स म्हणतो. while those in which water is not the solvent are called as non-aqueous solution. The most common non-aqueous solvents are ether, benzene, carbon tetrachlorides,